you said where we are yet?
Welcome to SIQUIJOR.
Welcome to SIQUIJOR Step and Pet Haze.
We just got off the ferry.
Maybe on the back.
And Pete is straight into trying to rent a tricycle or a rickshaw. We see like a lone rickshaw over there. So stay tuned to this video to see if we do that with our 2-year-old son.
Hello. Hi. Welcome to SIQUIJOR. Your blog? What's the name of your blog?
Steph and Pete.
Subscribe?
Yeah.
Can you spell it?
S-T-E-P-H.
Step.
Step and Pete.
Ah, Step and Pete. From where? Ah, this one. Welcome to SIQUIJOR. This is the car.
Let's go.
Thank you, sir.
I decided not to rent one of these tricycles because A, I don't know how to ride a manual motorbike, and B, Ricardo's awesome, so he's going to take us around the island today.
Hazy, you still eating breakfast?
Just pulled over on the side of the road for our first stop, which is Pitogo. And Richard, not Ricardo, Pete, tells us that it's a beautiful view of steps going down to the ocean. The word Pitogo means.
A picture, it's a nice picture there.
Yeah, but the name. Is there a translation?
Pito. I don't know for the English.
Yeah. It's all the information I have, but that's the fun of these things. Update, we've since learned that Pitogo refers to these type of trees that we're walking through. It's really beautiful.
And this is like volcanic. What do you call it when there's been like a volcano? Lava.
Is it?
Right. Is this like molten lava? Leave in the comments below if you know.
I don't know about that.
Okay, apparently it's not.
Where's the volcano, Pete?
Well, no. There may be one on the island somewhere, or it could be like under the ocean.
All right.
And then it's like erupted under the ocean, and then it's like come onto the land and like formed all that sort of. It looked like volcanic
Peter
sort
Wilcock,
of like rocks.
a Philippine island expert.
I'm actually a geologist. What noise does a goat make? Brr, 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 brr.
Oldest and the biggest tree on SIQUIJOR Island. It's a Balete Tree.
Looks like a big tree.
This is a mystical, magical island. That's all I got. And there's a fish spa here, which I'm not doing again. I did it in Vietnam. You can see that here. Cool tree.
No, you try. You try. You try. You try. I don't want to do it, Daisy. I don't want to do it.
Pete, I think it's your turn. I want you to do it. All the way in. All the way in. Do it. All the way in. All the way in. All the way in. Just do it. I'm gonna count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You didn't even make it.
Slowly.
You gonna try it again?
Good job.
Did they bite your toes? Did they bite your toes?
I hate it. I hate it. I hate it. I hate it less than I hated it in Vietnam, but I still hate it. I hate it so much. I hate it so much. I don't want my feet on the internet. If you're a foot person, our buy us a coffee link is in the description box below. It'll be $5.
You're doing better than you were.
Yeah, I think these ones are nicer than the Vietnamese fish fish. That big one doesn't come, does it?
It's been coming. What did you just do with my shoes? Thank you.
We just ran into our friends from Atmosphere. Say hi.
Hi.
What's your Instagram again?
SIQUIJOR by Follow us. Follow us. Hi.
Before we get back in the tricycle, we're stopping to have a coconut. And by the way, those guys were on our boat tour to the sandbar, which was a gorgeous day out. Really, really beautiful. You can watch that video here. We finish this one first. This is the oldest church in all of Asia. Now, I want to say one thing. I don't want to start doing that thing that YouTubers do and they like make places that are kind of exciting seem like the most exciting thing in the world. That tree was really old and cool, but I think what we're quickly realizing is that none of these places are like singular, out of this world. You have to come to this island to see this one thing. But the beauty in all this exploring we've been doing is the riding through the island, the getting on the boats, and just like the whole experience of it is great. I don't know the point of that, but like I've loved every little like activity kind of experience we've done, because just getting out and getting on the tricycle and riding around or getting on the boat and going to an island is wonderful. Is this church a must visit? I mean, it's an old, pretty church, but getting here and the whole day of activities, totally worth it. At Cambugahay, I already forgot the name, Falls, and this is like a standalone beautiful place. The water is so bright turquoise against the like sandy rocks. It's really beautiful. And there's like 3 or 4 or 5 multiple different like pools you can swim in. Hayes wants to go in whichever one we're not in at the moment. But we're in the one where you can watch people jumping and swinging, and Pete is on his way to do a rope swing, which really freaks me out. Daddy's about to jump! Daddy's about to jump. Do you see Daddy? Do you see Daddy? Up there. Okay? He's gonna go on that swing. Are you ready? You wanna see Daddy go up that swing? We need to sit here and wait. Did he do a good job? Yeah. Did he do a good job?
Yeah. And you did it, Daddy. You did it.
How was it?
That was really fun.
cool. They get the people to stand on the raft right by it for like an amazing shot, and then this guy just like swings one-handed with one phone, snaps a photo as he swings by. Love it. No? This is it. This is even better.
This one's not cooked as much.
Oh yeah.
Try.
Salagdoong Beach, which used to be very famous for cliff diving. I was really excited to see that, but apparently, I'll show you in a second, the area is under construction, so there's no cliff diving. However, I don't know how many vlogs I'm going to say this in, but the water here is insanely blue. It's just unreal. It's like the same places that would be pretty, but like normal ocean pretty, and other places here are just extraordinary. Oh my god. We've left Hayes over there sleeping in the rickshaw. He fell asleep on the ride. Thanks. And I just looked over and Richard is fanning him with a piece of paper. How sweet. It's so funny.
This is the oldest house on SIQUIJOR. 250 years old! Still standing.
Barely. Barely. Great view. What do you think that'd go for on Zillow these days?
Pete, Hayes, and Steph. Trees.
Why am I the big fat one?
Beautiful, beautiful beach here on SIQUIJOR. But, yeah, again, so much plastic. We gotta do something. It's so bad, it's so frustrating, and we're all to blame. And this island actually has a policy of no plastic on the island, so I mean they're doing their bit, but it's the rest of the world letting it down. But it's really sad to see.
Almost done the full loop of the island. We're back in SIQUIJOR port to buy ferry tickets for tomorrow and have an ice cream.
Excuse me.
So we're gonna go back around the island again?
One more time?
One more time around the island? No.
Richard's son has a very important volleyball game this afternoon. He's playing for the championship. So, Richard needs to drop us home, and good luck for his son. Thank you, sir.
So Daryl, who runs this place, Ocean Life Explorers, explained to us that this weekend there's an anniversary party in town, and that they would be partying and drinking and doing karaoke. It's not even 3 p.m. It's not even 3 p.m. Let's see what's going on.